guys, it's Taylor, and today, excuse me, I'm bringing you guys just a little video POV drive of my 2012 Civic. I actually need to clean it out desperately. I know I was supposed to do Call of Duty videos between Call of Duty and Valorant for my next video, but unfortunately I didn't have time yesterday to record it, being it was Mother's Day. So this video should be up same day, fingers crossed. If not, then Mother's Day was 2 days ago. But let me make sure this is adjusted properly. I think it is. But my car is unfortunately a little messy. I do need to clean it, but just be doing a POV drive of vehicle. I've had this car since July of last year, and of course I missed this light. And it's been really fun. The end goal is to actually turbo the vehicle, so we'll see how that goes. But it's been a fun car. It's got a different shift knob. Don't know if you guys can see it in the video or not. It's got a plate right here, custom plate. It says Salt City and everything like that. So all in all, it's been a fun car. I've got majority of the things to turbo it, including the turbo itself, intercooler, Hondata. Hondata is actually in my center console right here. So yeah, all in all, it's been a great car. You know, when it rains, a sensor trips or something like that. I actually need to look into that a little more. If it ever rains heavily, there's a sensor that goes off. I also need to check out one of my tires because it's been really finicky, stuff like that. But all in all, it's an awesome vehicle. I've loved it. It's 2012, so yeah, hopefully this light changes because I'm trying to get to work right now. As long as, you know, this light hurries up. Also gonna possibly stop at McDonald's and go from there. Oh, come on. But yeah, end goal is to boost it, get it tuned. We're gonna have the Honda God himself tune it and go from there. The end goal is, I don't know, 400, 500 horse. Probably gonna start it off, you know, relatively mild with 300, or not 300, sorry, like 320, give or take. And then when the stock clutch decides to grenade itself, upgrade the clutch and go for, I don't know, 380 maybe, 400. And then when the trans decides that it doesn't want to agree anymore, or fourth gear I should say, because fourth gear in these is the weaker of the gears, we will upgrade the trans with a 1 through 4 Gear X. And then go for 500. I think these motors pop around 450 though. So internals would probably be needed, so I'd probably maybe go like 430 wheel. Maybe see what I can make on like E30, E50, E70, maybe just pure E. But see what we can get this thing up to with these cars behind us and go from there. We can do a little poll. Cars on the highway than I honestly expected. Of course. Maybe I'll take this thing on a little canyon drive here soon. I have wanted to do more car videos. I actually just found my GoPro, which is unfortunate because I've been looking for this thing forever, and next thing I know I found it, and think when I moved it to, I honestly don't remember where I found it now, it was dead and it wouldn't charge, and I learned that it was just the charger cord that was causing the issue. So we got that fixed, so that was good. And yeah, but this is, you know, the Civic. It's got a, you know, basic radio, stuff like that. I don't really think I did a review on this, or like a 5 things I love, 5 things I hate. Maybe I'll do that next time or something. Maybe this weekend I'll take it out, do some photos, do some videos with it. So we'll see what happens. Ooh, I wonder what happened there. But you know, it gets, you know, pretty decent fuel economy. It also has a one of my favorite things, a power monitor, which I've never gotten it above like 82%, I want to say. And then as you can see, it says iVTech up there. If you when it engages VTech, there's a little light right next to it. Turns on, and then it's got different other like dots under it that signify, you know, how you're in power and everything like that, and you know, if you're gonna be hitting peak power or whatnot. So that's pretty cool. But all in all, the car handles really well right now. It's just muffler delete as of right now. When the turbo's on, it's going to be a external hood dump, and I'm trying to figure out which way I want that angled, if I want it angled that way or that way. And then it's just gonna be downpipe. Sorry, I lost my train of thought for a minute. But I'll show you guys how the power monitor works. As long as there's no cops, because that would not be fun. But as you can see, it does go up and down, you know, as you're, you know, throttling or not. But all in all, it's been a really fun car in the year I've owned it. I can't believe I've already owned it for a year, to be honest. Almost a year, I should say. I think I picked it up June 13th, but we've got a few things to do to her, and then she'll be, you know, good to go. So we'll just go from there. But yeah, this is just a POV drive. Maybe I'll do a POV drive of me not talking and just pure driver experience, and just go from there. Maybe, you know, do that on like a canyon or something like that. Just throw a little bit of music over it, maybe not even that. But there's so many more cars. I'm normally already at work by now. I'm going a little later because covering someone's shift. So normally we would be at work by now, wouldn't see this many cars. But yeah, got my little tree, my Rev Auto Supply right there. And yeah, and oh, I'll go over the parts list, because I totally, you know, I mentioned a few things that I had. I need intercooler piping, which dirt cheap on eBay. You know, we're just gonna rock some eBay piping. And then the 4-bar map sensor, because the stock map sensor is so we're gonna get the Hondata 4-bar, go from there, and then from that, what is it? The turbo manifold itself, which is the most expensive part that I'm missing. I need the oil lines for the turbo, which I'm gonna do vibrant, and then what's next? Oh, I need to get AEM gauge, air to fuel. I'm gonna get the little thing right here, or I've thought about putting it maybe down here in this area. I don't know if you guys can see that, but cutting this out, maybe putting it right there. And there was one other thing that I was missing. Oh, fuel injectors, and possibly a fuel pump. Fuel pump I can wait on if I only want like 300 something horse, but it might be good to just have, who knows. But that's all I need for turbo build, so we'll pretty much go from there and, you know, just really see how it goes. And then maybe, you know, maybe we'll do a poll with my friend's BMW little friendly one on the highway or something. So we'll go from there. Maybe see how my friend's S4 does against it, but I don't know. We'll see if they actually see this video and want to do something or not. But anyway, guys, that'll be the end of the video. We'll do a little outro, with some music, some cool stuff, and then pretty much just go from there. So hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys next time.